Hi everyone, welcome back to Terraton. Today I want to discuss an important section of the PTE academic test, the listening highlight incorrect summary task. This section not only evaluates your listening comprehension but also tests your ability to critically analyze information and identify inaccuracies. In the highlight incorrect summary task, you will listen to a recording that typically lasts between 30 to 90 seconds. After the audio, you will be presented with several summary options. Your job is to identify which summary contained incorrect information based on what you heard. This task is essential because it helps measure your ability to discern accurate information from misleading statement. Active listening is crucial for success in this section. As you listen to an audio, focus on understanding the main ideas and key details. Pay attention to the speaker tone and emphasizes, as these can provide clue about which statement may be incorrect. Remember, the speaker intent can often reveal contradiction in the summary provided. Here are some effective strategies to help you to excel in the highlight incorrect summary task. Take notes, jot down key point phrases or any specific details while listening. This will reinforce your understanding and allow you to recall essential information when reviewing the summary option. Identify the key information. As you listen, try to identify the central message and key details. Recognizing the core message will help you to spot inaccuracy in the summaries. Evaluate each summary. After listening carefully, read all the summary options. Look for a specific detail that contradict the audio. Pay close attention to qualifiers like always, never, only, or most, as these words often indicate absolutely that may be incorrect. Use the process of elimination. If you are unsure about the option, use the process of elimination to discard summary that can reflect the audio content. This approach will help narrow down your choices and increase your chances of selecting the correct answer. Practicing with the sample questions is a key to mastering this task. For instance, you might listen to a lecture about the benefits of renewable energy and identify which summaries inaccurately reflect the speaker point. Engaging with the various audio sources such as podcast or academic discussion can significantly improve your listening skills and prepare you for the test. In the end, I would like to say mastering the highlights incorrect summary task in the PTE listening section is essential for achieving your desired score. With the dedicated practice, active listening, and effective strategies, you can enhance your ability to comprehend spoken English and succeed in this part of our exam. Ready to take the next steps towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the forms. Link is in the description and pin comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Terraton for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.